the ultimate free and unlimited video tool.
If you ever feel the air shift, they're close. No one's ever seen the whisper. No one but me. Got you.
Who are you?
Sarah? They told me you died.
They took her from me. Now I take everything from them.
Imagine turning your ideas into stunning videos with just a single prompt, instantly, effortlessly, and without limits. Introducing the ultimate free video generating tool that transforms your words into high-quality, eye-catching videos in seconds. No editing skills? No problem. Whether you're creating content for social media, marketing, storytelling, or education, this powerful tool unlocks unlimited creativity at your fingertips, all for free. Say goodbye to complex software.
According to this old sea chart, the lost island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately.
The Veo 3 is a versatile and innovative tripod system designed for photographers and videographers who need flexibility, stability, and portability. Manufactured by Vanguard, the Veo 3 series includes features like a multi-angle center column, ARCA-compatible ball or pan heads, and robust carbon fiber or aluminum legs, depending on the model. It supports a wide range of shooting styles with smooth adjustments. Page, you'll see two options. Try in Gemini. Try in Flow. Click on Try in Flow. A new web page will open. In the center, you'll see a button that says Create with Flow. Click on it. This will take you to the login page. You should now see the option to sign in with Google. If you don't see this option, make sure your VPN is active and set to the USA. Once you're logged in, you can continue using Veo 3 even without the VPN. But remember, VPN is required only for the login process. Now let's A navigation bar will appear with the Download Proton VPN option. Click on it. Now, choose your platform, e.g., Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, etc. Select Windows, or your platform, and a new page will open. Click Download for Windows and choose the appropriate version for your system. The download will begin automatically. After installation, open the app and connect to a United States server. This is crucial. Veo 3 only works if your IP you'll be taken to the main Veo 3 interface. However, you might notice that you don't have any credits to generate content right away. To activate your access, look at the top right corner of the page, click the subscribe button. A new page will open showing the message: this account isn't eligible for Flow. Don't worry, this is common. Below that message, you'll see an option that says Explore Google AI Plans. Simply click on Explore Google AI Plans to proceed with activating your subscription. After clicking Explore Google AI Plans, you'll be redirected to a pricing page. Locate the $0 per month plan. This is the free trial plan. Click on Start Trial. At this point, the system will prompt you to add a payment method. You might be wondering, I thought this was free? Yes, it is free for the first month. You get a 1-month free trial, which includes 1,000 free credits to use Veo 3 and return to the main Veo 3 interface. Refresh the page. You'll now see a new interface with a Get Started button. Click it. The platform will now activate your credits, and you can start creating videos using Veo 3. Creating your first video in Veo 3. On the main interface, simply click New Project. First, click on the Text to Video option. Once you click, you'll see 3 available modes: Text to Video, Frames to Video, Ingredients to Video. Choose Wow! Look at the output, it's incredibly realistic and high quality. Love the result? Let's generate another video. Just follow the same simple steps. Type your new prompt. Press enter. Wait a few seconds. And there it is, the result is now ready. Look at that, eye-catching and absolutely stunning. If you like the result, head to the top right corner of the video and click the download button. You'll see 3 download options. Animated GIF, 270p, great for quick previews or sharing on social media. Original size, 720p, standard quality. Upscaled, 1080p, high definition for the best viewing experience. Choose the option that works best for you, and your video will start downloading instantly. Press enter. Wait a few seconds. And there it is, the result is now ready. Look at that, eye-catching and absolutely stunning. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Powered by Veo 3, where imagination meets next-gen visuals. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.